Right, solve the equation x minus 3 over 7 is equal to minus 5. This is a very simple equation with a fraction. So we've got x minus 3 over 7 is equal to minus 2. Remember, on solving equations, we must do the same thing to both sides and opposites. So the opposite of dividing by 7 is to multiply by 7. So if we do that to this side, we're going to get x minus 3, and then minus 5 times 7 gives minus 35. Then all we've got to do is the opposite of taking away 3, which is to add 3 to both sides. Adding 3 to this side, we get x. And adding 3 to this side, minus 35 plus 3 gives me a final answer of x is equal to minus 32. So this has been a video to show you how to solve a very simple equation which has a fraction in it. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.